Hey there! You probably think oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfast choices out there, right? Well, that depends. While oats are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, many people unknowingly prepare them in ways that actually reduce their benefits, or worse, make them harmful. Are you making any of these common mistakes? Maybe you're adding the wrong toppings, picking the wrong type of oats, or skipping a crucial step that could improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Some of these habits could lead to blood sugar spikes, weight gain, or even digestive issues. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll go over 10 oatmeal mistakes you need to stop making and the simple tweaks that will help you get the most out of your morning bowl. Trust me, by the end, you'll never look at oatmeal the same way again. Mistake number 1, using flavored instant oatmeal. If you're reaching for those convenient, flavored instant oatmeal packets every morning, you might be doing your body more harm than good. While they may seem like a quick and easy breakfast option, most flavored oatmeal varieties are packed with added sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives that can seriously undermine the health benefits of oats. One of the biggest issues? The high sugar content. Many brands load their instant oatmeal with as much sugar as a candy bar. This causes a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, leading to an inevitable energy crash that leaves you feeling sluggish and craving more carbs just hours later. Over time, this cycle can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. So, what's the better alternative? Stick to plain, unsweetened oats, preferably steel-cut or rolled oats, which are far less processed and retain more of their natural fiber and nutrients. If you need a little sweetness, opt for natural toppings like fresh or dried fruit, cinnamon, a drizzle of raw honey, or even a handful of nuts for added texture and healthy fats. These swaps will keep your oatmeal nutritious, balanced, and satisfying without the sugar overload. By making this simple change, you'll not only enjoy a healthier and more filling breakfast, but you'll also help stabilize your blood sugar levels, boost digestion, and support long-term well-being. Small changes make a big difference. Mistake number 2, adding too much sugar or sweeteners. Oatmeal is often praised as a heart-healthy, fiber-rich breakfast, but if you're drenching it in sugar, you might be turning it into a dessert rather than a nutritious meal. Many people load their oats with brown sugar, maple syrup, or even excessive amounts of honey, thinking they're making a healthy choice. However, too much added sugar can spike blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes, increased hunger, and a higher risk of weight gain and insulin resistance over time. Consistently consuming sugary oatmeal can also contribute to chronic inflammation, a major factor in diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Even natural sweeteners like honey and maple syrup should be used in moderation, as they still cause insulin spikes that stress your metabolism. So, what's the best way to sweeten your oatmeal without sacrificing its health benefits? Opt for natural, whole food alternatives. Fresh or frozen berries, banana slices, or a sprinkle of cinnamon can add just the right amount of sweetness while also providing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Another great trick is to mix in vanilla extract or unsweetened applesauce for a subtly sweet and flavorful bowl. By reducing your intake of added sugars and embracing these natural alternatives, you'll enjoy a more balanced, energy-boosting breakfast that supports stable blood sugar levels and long-term health. Mistake number 3, not soaking or cooking oats properly. You might think eating raw oats or lightly cooking them is a quick and easy way to enjoy your breakfast, but skipping the soaking or cooking process can negatively impact your digestion and nutrient absorption. Raw oats contain a compound called phytic acid, which acts as an anti-nutrient, meaning it binds to essential minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, preventing your body from fully absorbing them. Over time, this can contribute to mineral deficiencies, leading to issues like fatigue, weakened bones, and poor digestion. Additionally, raw oats can be harsh on your stomach, especially for those with sensitive digestion. They contain high amounts of fiber, which is excellent for gut health, but if not properly prepared, they may cause bloating, gas, and discomfort. The best way to neutralize phytic acid and make oats easier to digest is by soaking them overnight or cooking them thoroughly. Overnight oats, for example, are soaked in liquid, water, milk, or yogurt for at least 8 to 12 hours, allowing the phytic acid to break down naturally. This makes the nutrients more bioavailable and the oats easier on your stomach. Cooking oats properly, especially steel-cut or rolled oats, also helps reduce phytic acid and improves texture, taste, and digestibility. So, whether you prefer warm oatmeal or overnight oats, taking the extra step to soak or cook them properly will maximize their health benefits and ensure your body gets the essential nutrients it needs. Mistake number 4: skipping protein and healthy fats. Oatmeal is often praised as a nutritious and filling breakfast, but if you're eating a plain bowl of oats without adding protein or healthy fats, you're missing out on essential nutrients and setting yourself up for mid-morning hunger and energy crashes. Oats are naturally high in carbohydrates, but contain very little protein and fat. While carbs provide quick energy, they're digested rapidly, causing your blood sugar to rise and then drop just as quickly. This leads to hunger, cravings, and even fatigue within a couple of hours. That's why many people who eat plain oatmeal in the morning find themselves reaching for snacks soon after. To make your oatmeal a balanced, satisfying meal, it's crucial to add protein and healthy fats. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels, supports muscle health, and keeps you full longer, while healthy fats provide long-lasting energy and essential nutrients for brain function. Try adding a spoonful of nut butter, almond, peanut, or cashew, chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp seeds for a boost of healthy fats and fiber. You can also mix in Greek yogurt, protein powder, or nuts like almonds and walnuts for extra protein. If you enjoy savory oatmeal, an egg or some smoked salmon can be great additions. By making this simple adjustment, you'll turn your oatmeal into a well-balanced, energy-sustaining meal that keeps you full, focused, and fueled for the day ahead. Mistake number 5: using water instead of milk or a nutritious liquid. If you're cooking your oatmeal with just water, you're missing out on both flavor and nutrition. While water may seem like a simple and calorie-free option, it actually dilutes the nutritional benefits of your meal, leaving your oatmeal less creamy, less satisfying, and lower in essential nutrients. One of the biggest downsides of using water is that it lacks protein, calcium, and other important vitamins that help keep you full and energized. Oatmeal on its own is high in carbohydrates, but it needs a balanced mix of protein and fats to provide lasting energy. Without these key nutrients, you may find yourself hungrier sooner and more likely to snack before your next meal. The better alternative? Swap water for milk or a plant-based alternative like almond milk, oat milk, or soy milk. These options not only enhance the texture and taste of your oatmeal, but also increase the protein, calcium, and healthy fat content of your breakfast. For example, dairy milk adds about 8 grams of protein per cup, while fortified plant-based milks offer essential vitamins like B12 and vitamin D. If you're dairy-free, unsweetened almond milk or soy milk can be excellent choices. These alternatives add a subtle flavor while still providing nutrients that water simply doesn't offer. By making this small swap, you'll elevate the nutritional value of your oatmeal, keep yourself full longer, and enjoy a richer, creamier, and more satisfying breakfast. Mistake number 6: eating oatmeal alone, no fiber or protein pairing. If you're eating just plain oatmeal with nothing else, you might be missing out on key nutrients and setting yourself up for an energy crash and hunger pangs soon after. Oats are a great source of complex carbohydrates, but on their own, they digest too quickly, causing blood sugar spikes followed by energy crashes. This can leave you feeling sluggish, hungry, and reaching for snacks within an hour or two. Oatmeal works best as part of a balanced meal that includes fiber, protein, and healthy fats. These nutrients help slow digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and keep you feeling full longer. To make your oatmeal a truly satisfying and nutritious breakfast, try adding fiber-rich toppings, chia seeds, flax seeds, or berries to improve digestion and regulate blood sugar. Healthy fats, nuts, almonds, walnuts, nut butter, or coconut flakes for long-lasting energy. Protein sources, Greek yogurt, protein powder, or an egg on the side to build and maintain muscle. By pairing your oatmeal with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, you'll turn it into a well-rounded meal that fuels your body properly, keeps cravings in check, and gives you sustained energy throughout the day. Mistake number 7, not controlling portion sizes. Oatmeal is a nutritious and filling meal, but like anything, too much of a good thing can backfire. Many people assume that since oats are healthy, they can eat as much as they want, but overeating oatmeal can lead to excess calorie consumption, carb overload, and even weight gain over time. Here's the problem: oats are high in carbohydrates, which provide energy, but eating too large a portion, especially when combined with high-calorie toppings like nut butter, dried fruit, and honey, can turn a seemingly healthy meal into a calorie-dense breakfast that spikes blood sugar and leaves you hungrier later. Plus, eating too much fiber at once can cause bloating and digestive discomfort. To get the benefits of oatmeal without overdoing it, stick to a healthy portion size of 1/2 to 1 cup of cooked oats per serving. This amount provides enough fiber and energy while keeping calorie intake in check. If you need a more filling meal, balance your bowl with protein and healthy fats. For example, adding Greek yogurt, nuts, or seeds will keep you satisfied longer without the need for an oversized serving of oats. By keeping portions in check and making smart additions, you'll enjoy a meal that is both nutritious and balanced, giving you energy without unnecessary excess. Mistake number 8, ignoring the glycemic index of oats. Not all oats are created equal. If you're choosing the wrong type of oats, you could be spiking your blood sugar and feeling hungry sooner than you should. The glycemic index, GI, measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels, and some types of oats, especially instant oats, have a high GI, meaning they digest quickly and cause rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes. This can lead to energy dips, cravings, and even long-term insulin resistance. Why does this happen? Instant oats are highly processed, meaning their fiber structure is broken down, making them easier to digest, but also less filling and less stable for blood sugar control. While they might be convenient, they're not the best option for lasting energy. To keep your blood sugar levels steady and stay full longer, choose oats with a lower glycemic index, like steel-cut or rolled oats. These are less processed, higher in fiber, and take longer to digest, providing sustained energy throughout the day. If you're short on time, try overnight oats made with rolled oats or quick-cooking steel-cut oats, which offer the best of both worlds, convenience and better blood sugar control. Pairing your oats with protein and healthy fats, like nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt, can further help balance your meal and prevent sugar crashes. By choosing the right type of oats and balancing your bowl, you'll keep your energy stable, feel fuller for longer, and support better long-term health. Mistake number 9, not storing oats properly. You might not think much about how you store your oats, but improper storage can affect their freshness, taste, and even your health. If oats are exposed to moisture, heat, or air, they can go stale, rancid, or even develop mold and bacteria over time. This not only reduces their nutritional value and flavor, but can also pose potential health risks if consumed. Oats contain natural oils, and when exposed to air and humidity, these oils can become rancid, leading to an unpleasant smell and taste. Even worse, moisture buildup can cause mold growth, which can lead to digestive issues or allergic reactions in some individuals. To keep your oats fresh, nutritious, and safe to eat, follow these simple storage tips. Store oats in an airtight container to prevent exposure to air and moisture. Keep them in a cool, dry place, such as a pantry or kitchen cabinet away from direct sunlight and heat. If you live in a humid climate, consider storing oats in the refrigerator or freezer to extend their shelf life. Always check for off smells, discoloration, or clumping, as these are signs that oats have gone bad. By taking these small but essential steps, you'll preserve the quality and freshness of your oats, ensuring that every bowl you eat is safe, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Mistake number 10: skipping oatmeal thinking it's boring. Let's be honest, eating the same plain bowl of oatmeal every morning can feel repetitive. Many people give up on oatmeal entirely because they find it bland and unexciting, missing out on its incredible health benefits. But the problem isn't the oatmeal itself, it's how you prepare it. Oatmeal is like a blank canvas, and with the right ingredients, you can turn it into a delicious, nutrient-packed meal that you actually look forward to eating. The key is variety. Instead of sticking to plain oats, experiment with different flavors and toppings to keep things exciting. Sweet options: add fresh or dried fruits like bananas, apples, or berries for natural sweetness. Sprinkle on cinnamon, nutmeg, or cocoa powder for extra flavor. Top with walnuts, almonds, or a drizzle of honey for texture and added nutrients. Savory options: who says oatmeal has to be sweet? Try a savory twist by adding a poached egg, avocado slices, sautéed mushrooms, or shredded cheese. You can even mix in chopped nuts and seeds for crunch and protein. The possibilities are endless. Whether you prefer a classic, comforting bowl or want to get creative with new flavors, customizing your oatmeal ensures you never get bored and continue reaping all its amazing health benefits. So don't write off oatmeal, mix it up, get creative, and make it your own. Now that you know the 10 biggest oatmeal mistakes, which one surprised you the most? Are you guilty of any of these? Don't worry, now you have the tools to make your oatmeal healthier, tastier, and more nutritious. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to prepare oatmeal? Do you have a go-to recipe or a unique topping combo? Drop it in the comments below and let's share some inspiration. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new health tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and enjoy your perfect bowl of oatmeal.